Baby, you got them keys?
What?
You got the keys to the store?
Yeah. Why?
Cop the 4 and cop the deuce. Sport. That's a little EA Sports is in the game. Man, fuck this shit, man. Let me see it go. Let's kill him with lazy eyes something. Hey, right there. Chop. Big this shit, man. Cop the dude. It's a fault. Shit. That's fault. Like right there. Like right here. Money said $7. I'm budgeting on it. Spent 50 last night. Did good. No.
Who?
Alright, you know what I'm doing. I spent more than 50. She had to get that goddamn pussy over here. Put that pussy right here. You need some will. It's hot right now. Doug. New York City, baby. Dirty South, nigga. Got that bitch out myself, on myself freestyle, nigga. On the set, nigga. Get that bitch. That bitch on battle me out. No. I'm gonna set it off on battle out. Again. Remake. That diatone shit. Ain't nobody fucking with me. This my new artist, nigga. I signed that nigga last year. Yeah, he got money from last year. On the shit. One of the videos they ain't turned up the fizz tab. Watch when it start adding up. I signed that boy. You ain't gonna say shit. Told Diatone, what's your rap name, nigga? That nigga say, shut the fuck up. You don't have to sign that shit, nigga. That nigga name. Like, dudes, man. Hit your back one. Word. Fuck you, man. Fuck you, man. Fool with it. A damn fool. That bitch go hard, fool. Cop that damn fool, man, and get your motherfucking my money. I need it now. And bitch don't ever have to ride, because I'm gonna tell you one more thing, nigga. It's my money and I go on your right and your left. You motherfucker wanna tell shit the fuck up and keep that shit on your shelf like you know every damn thing. Nigga. Yeah. Fuck you mean? Try to rob me, I rob you, nigga. It's my money and I fucking need it now. Cool. Walk the fuck on. Cop the dudes. Booze mode. We at the stove. Cop the 4. Next road.
I think I got on here, right?
Off the floor. About the dope, cuz. Dose. It's another dose. There's a 4. Cop another 4.
Here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1.
Yeah, you gonna wait on us?
Yeah, you gonna wait, cuz.
Yeah, you pay.
We're just going to the customer service we're just going into the bank and coming back out.
No problem, but you pay me this, I wait for you.
Okay.
just come out, I see you, I pull out.
Okay.
965.
Okay.
How much to ride?
965.
Please select payment method.
Hey, give him $20. Tell the nigga pay for that. Hey, subtract that, you heard me? Appreciate it, homie.
Sure.
You coming back?
Nah, man, I'm about to roll.
Yeah, we need to ride back to the hotel.
Okay.
Okay.
How about homeboy? You know where homeboy?
Do you want your change back, or do you want him to hold that 20 until we get out?
Until we get back.
Just hold that 20 until we get back.
I can give you the 10 then when you come back.
Okay.